In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror an image in Affinity Designer. Now, the first thing you can do is when you have an image, you can just go ahead and click on this button up top, which says transform, and it's going to allow you to basically flip it either horizontal, which is basically like mirroring, or flip it vertical, okay? If you can't see this button, you could also right click, go to transform, and here you can flip horizontal or vertical. Now, that's one way to do it. However, if you want basically to mirror it and actually have the image next to the other, what you can do is make this image a bit smaller inside over here. Of course, this can go for any image, and then you can also create the copy. Now, the easiest way to actually create a copy is just by holding down Control key and then just dragging this out. There we go, putting it next to each other, and then releasing the Control key, and then you could go ahead and place these like in the middle, whatever you want to do. And let's say you now want the mirrored image, you could go to the right one, select this up here again, and then click on flip horizontal, and there we go. You've now basically mirrored your image. So that's the two ways you can actually approach this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.